There we go. Okay, okay. Don't do me crazy. Okay. Hey, yo. You know what a dog needs? You really know what a dog needs? Dog needs a dog needs a come on. Not just any but a real let's go hold that dog
Chicago
down.
dog fighting.
Baby, I am what I am. I'm gonna be who I be. Everything from chasing the cat to out on the tree. Let me see what I gotta see. Do what I gotta do. Dog, fuck, lie, but keep it true. Every once in a while I break out the backyard to roam and get breakfast, but I still know that home is home. When I get there, I'ma sit there, take a thought there, put my head, do I handle my business? Yeah, first time, watch my dinner, into the clip. When I come home, gotta go, just give me the rent. I ain't got time for the lip, just open the fence. Let me go, I'll come back, I ain't got time to convince. Ever since I was a pup, I've been stuck in the street. Keep the heat, gotta eat. I'm passing the week, it's out there, I want it all at one time. So when it's my time, I'm done.
I know you kill for me, you die for me. I know you like to rip and run the streets, but I think there is sometimes we baby to think. You might not make it home to eat. I fell asleep, would you pick up the phone and call me at home? And when you know you ain't in some heat, and don't go crying for long, you know I'm looking out for you. Cause you'll be looking out for me. You can go back to dog, you ain't got some nice to make. You make it back in one piece, so you can go with the dog. You make this promise to me, you make it back in one piece. Oh, you go back to the dog, you make this promise to me, you make it back in one piece. I know you have been dog, you make this promise to me, you make it back in one piece. Piece, piece. Oh yeah, I know you got to do what you do.
Around my neck, the streets are mine. I might leave the heat behind in the streets of fine.